Hey guys, Mark and Swan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, sales, and reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Nikken business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets rapid fire. No fluff, no time wasting, all facts. The number one golden nugget and bonus at the very end, so stay tuned for those instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to go from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you the exact 3-step strategy that I use to hit the leaderboard and become a top recruiter and to hit the leaderboard in terms of sales for another company. You're going to learn to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted prospects to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people. And this way, you can attract highly targeted and qualified prospects to you of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. Let's get started. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. And this is done by looking at what others have done, people who have the success that you want, and essentially going to their videos and utilizing a tool called TubeBuddy. I left this link in the description for the TubeBuddy, and here's what you can do with that tool. You can go to the video that you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. Now, these tags are the keywords that you're going to be ranking for on Google and YouTube that are going to bring traffic to what you have to offer. You're going to create a coherent title with your keyword phrases, and your title should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. You're going to create a description that is about 300 words in length and scatter your keywords throughout. Place a link at the top of this description. You want to end by creating a thumbnail and saving your thumbnail as your primary keywords. Remember, you don't want to reinvent the wheel. You want to find people who already have the success that you want and essentially do similar to what they did. It's okay to be a copycat, just copy the right cat. Now, you don't want to copy word for word verbatim, but you want to make similar content going after similar keywords. 3 to 5 minute content, use open broadcast system to share your screen and save the video as a keyword optimized title before you upload. For Facebook, you want to just find where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. You essentially want to target like-minded network marketers, people who are in your niche. And here's a good first message once you find that person. Hey Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I've been noticing the comments that you made on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic. Definitely be great to connect. What exactly do you do for work? So you start off with something like that, and that would be a good first message. You want to do that about 5 to 10 times per day, meeting new people. And once you build your audience, you then want to engage with people on your timeline by having fill in the blanks. You could post engaging pictures, post lifestyle pictures, those kind of things. Again, 5 to 10 connections each day. Robert Kiyosaki, Tony Robbins, those are really great fan pages to get started. And just being social, making connections, just talking to people. Remember, it's not about closing prospects here. It's about making connections and building your following. And to attract the right people to you, you want to post curiosity and not resistance. So you definitely don't want to blast your company logo all over the place. You definitely don't want to do that. You want to keep it 90% personal and 10% about your business. And when I say about your business, you're probably just posting a result of somebody on your team and that kind of thing. You want to do imagery, lifestyle pictures, inspirational quotes, and here's a good example of a curiosity post. This morning I had a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, and green powder and almond milk. I had energy all day long. What this is going to do is get people to reach out to you and say, hey, what's that green powder? And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Okay, in this way you're able to prospect without being pushy. Guys, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.